Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's another wet, cold and miserable day here in Cape Town. So not a great start to the weekend, but hopefully weather's going to clear tomorrow and I can actually get back onto the tennis court. So today, as you can see, I'm going to be doing a split canvas Dutch pour. So the colors I've decided to use today are a nice sort of fluoro blue, and we've got a nice phthalo blue on this side. And then the pour colors that I'll be using for the blow are this Azurean red, purple of course my favorite, and then just a deeper azure blue. And the color with the cell activator, I've made up some nice bronze, which I thought would go quite nicely with the blues and the reds. So I've already put down the base layer, so let's get busy with the rest of it. What shall I start with here? I'll go with the red. Okay, there we go. Make some space and then cue the music for the hairdryer. Okay guys, there we go. I stupidly dipped the hairdryer into the canvas by mistake. See if we can just patch that up with some extra. There we go. Give it one. Right, there we go guys. Quite an interesting pour. I maybe was a bit aggressive with the hairdryer. Maybe need to do it on a lower speed because it's just sort of splurged it all out instead of making nice petals. But yeah, I guess you don't know what's going to happen until you try it. So next time I guess I won't blow it as hard, and I might just do sort of one or two each side rather than doing the whole line and blowing it out. But that's the result of it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to do the close-up now. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's going well. We're nearing 100 subscribers, which is great, and getting lots of comments, which is great as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you at the next pour. Cheers. Hi guys, I'm back. As you can see, I never left the painting alone. I thought that it didn't look great. So what I've done now is put a few little circles and dabs of the paint and then hair dried it. And this is the result. It's very interesting, but it's not really great. So just to stuff this up completely, what I'm going to do is turn this into a swipe. So I've still got some of the bronze cell activator left, so I'm just going to put it down the one side and then do a swipe. It's quite a lot of paint on here already, so I think a swipe will be good just to get it out. And as I've said before, you can't go wrong with a swipe, so I'm hoping that this will rescue my picture, because at the moment it's not one that I want to keep. So yeah, let's see if this works. I'm not really sure what's going to happen, but what can we do? Wow, there we go guys. As usual, swipe to the rescue. Yeah, I really like this color palette now, and the number of cells coming up now is just crazy. Wow, that's turned out really nice, and I'm sure now if I apply a bit of heat to this, we're going to get some great cells coming through. So hooray, rescued with the swipe technique. It's always a good way if you've got a lot of paint on there and you're not loving how it looks, then get busy with the swipe if you've got some of the swipe stuff left. And there, Bob's your uncle. Oh guys, I'm sure you'll agree that looks a lot better than how the previous one looked. Yeah, I can't believe the difference. And I'm getting some lovely cells in here. So yeah, very, very happy with that. How it's turned out, managed to rescue it. Guys, thanks for watching. Once again, like and subscribe if you can. Love to have you follow me and see the videos as they come out. But as I said before, have a great weekend and I'll catch you at the next pour. Cheers.